This is Cricut Joy Xtra, our fits-in-any-space smart cutting machine. Small enough to fit just about anywhere, but big enough to help you make popular projects in popular sizes. All perfectly personalized. It precision cuts our most loved materials, so you can celebrate in style, whether you're home or on the go. It also works with our printable materials to make stickers that make you smile. It writes and draws and adds foil accents for the cutest custom cards and helps you make one-of-a-kind gifts they'll cherish forever. So how does it work? Every Cricut machine works with the Design Space app, where you pick a project or upload your own design. Customize it to perfection. Choose the right material. Then let your machine work its magic. Put it together and wow, you did that, and that, and that. Whichever Cricut machine you choose, we're here for you with free online learning for every crafter at every level and a community of millions of members. Make all the things, plus extra with Cricut Joy Xtra.